in Colorado. I am so excited for today's plans, you guys. We are headed to Garden of the Gods. I have heard so many good things about Garden of the Gods. That's where we're headed right now. What time is it actually right here? We are, huh?
10:04.
It's 10:04, so.
It means that it's 12:04 where you guys are at.
Exactly.
Probably.
Probably, maybe, depends. But like, we're back home where we're from, North Carolina. It is 12:04, you guys, so. And also, you guys, I woke up with a freaking sty. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like, hopefully you guys don't see it, but either way, I woke up with a sty because that night we went to the airport. I actually slept with my makeup, and I never do that, but I wanted to, like, you know, I was trying to feel cute to the airport, so I was like, I'm only gonna sleep for like 2 hours, so why not? Yeah. Learn my lesson, never do that again, because now I have a freaking sty right here and it freaking hurts. We'll catch you guys in the car because we're about to head to the Garden of the Gods.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where I was born.
We are in the car. We have about an hour and 7 minutes till we get to the Garden of the Gods. I'm literally editing for you guys right now. Yes, hard work and dedication, you guys. I am not forgetting about you guys. Even though I'm on vacation, I'm still here editing in the car on the way for an hour. I'll be doing this for you guys. This vlog will be uploaded tonight, Monday. So yeah, I'm vlogging so much, you guys. I'm gonna probably be posting a lot more than I usually do this week. And by the way, I have a napkin on my finger because I accidentally cut myself by accident with the door. How do you cut yourself with the freaking door? Like, I don't even know. I don't even know how I cut myself with the door. I literally opened the door and all of a sudden I'm like cut. I'm like, okay.
I'm just glad you're okay.
Oh baby, thank you. But yeah, I'm editing right now. Hopefully I do not get car sick or anything. Literally just enjoying this ride. We're listening to some Cardi B. I'm editing, Daniel's driving. We're just straight chilling right now. It's been awesome. So guys, I'm missing Baby V so freaking much. Daniel, aren't you?
I can't even sleep.
Literally, it's terrible not being with her, you guys. It's just so sad because I've never been this long away from her. And you guys are probably wondering, like, what is she eating? So practically, I literally stored so much breast milk, you guys. It was hard work and dedication, Daniel. How long, like, how much effort did I put into that? Like, I was on it. Like, I saved so much milk. So I'm about to insert a clip right now of, like, all the milk I saved for her for this trip. Can you guys believe how much milk that is? I am so proud of myself, you guys. Like, I thought about her first. I made sure I put in the effort to save as much milk as I can for her. And now I can take this trip and I don't have to worry about having to switch her to formula or anything. I literally kept her in my breast milk and I'm just, you guys have no idea how proud I am as a mother just to be able to actually do that for her. So it's a lot of work, you guys, but at the end of the day, it's so much worth it just to like make sure she just drinks from me, like my breast milk, you know what I'm saying? But either way, I just want to let you guys know because you guys are probably like wondering, like, if you're not with her, like, how is she drinking your milk? You know what I mean? But that's what I'm practically doing for her. So I'll catch up with you guys when I get there. With like everything right now. Do you guys see this? Like, it is freaking gorgeous out here. I'm having the best trip ever right now. My ears are literally starting to pop. Me and him at the same time. Like, literally, even driving here is awesome. Like, just driving from point A to point B, you get beautiful scenery. People don't drive like assholes. They don't. They really don't. It's just like my ears are really popping, so we're really getting high up there. Yeah. And we can't even like tell. Like, that's crazy. We're literally pulled out at this place that you can literally enjoy the view and take pictures. How cool is that? In the middle of the freaking highway, they have this. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at this freaking view. I cannot deal with this. Right off the highway, you guys, literally. Babe, go right in front of the view. This is gonna be perfect, seeing you in the view. Yes. That's amazing. How does it feel?
Amazing.
And it feels good, the temperature, doesn't it?
The temperature, the vibe.
How about me in the view, babe? What do you think?
It's beautiful.
Yeah? Either way, so we're about to take some dope pictures. You ready for this?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. So me and Daniel just got some food. Look at this pizza. Looks almost as good as you, baby.
Thank you. I know it's hard.
Alright, anyway, we're about to eat. Oh my god, you guys, we made it to the Garden of the Gods. This is so pretty. Thank you, Mama. Oh wow, that's so pretty.
Well, this really humbles you, bro.
Yo, for real, like this is freaking gorgeous. I cannot wait to actually get there. We're so close. Hey, Mama J.
Hey, Mama.
Say hi to the Raquettes. They miss you. Hey. Mom, this view is amazing. Oh my gosh, yes, Mom, it's amazing. So we're at the visitor center, you guys, and look at this. We had to park right here because this view right here is like not heard of. Like, we're about to take a picture right here, baby. You want to take a picture here? Yeah. Like, this is freaking amazing. What do you think about this? This is like not real right now. Like you guys, this is like real. Like, look at this. I'm so done. Let's try to take a picture here though. We just got here, pulling up. Oh my goodness. I can't express to you how beautiful this is. Like, this is something like I could never imagine. Like, this is just like, you guys need to be here. Like, I don't feel like the pictures and the videos like make it justice because this is gorgeous. Like, I cannot believe this right now. Bro.
Well, this doesn't even make sense, bro.
What?
I'm actually seeing this shit.
Like, this is real, Daniel. Bro, I'm speechless.
Dude, this is nuts.
Like, this is crazy. Like, how is this real? Like, I feel like I'm dreaming right now, you guys. Like, this is unheard of. We just started our trail. How exciting, right, baby? How unbelievable is this right now?
This is amazing.
It really is, you guys. Look at this. Wow. I'm literally speechless, you guys. Daniel is currently fixing up the drone. We kind of have a little crowd coming at us right here, but it's okay. I'm crossing my fingers we could get this drone footage, you guys. So I don't know why, like, of all days, it's not flying right now. And I think it's because it's a no-fly zone for some reason. Like, I don't even understand that, but we'll see, we'll see. So I just Googled, like, why isn't our drone working here? And we literally Googled, can you fly in a no-fly zone? Like, we have a red flag. Oh wow, there's a cactus right there. The heck? Like, natural cactus is right here. So I was reading up on it and it said your drone will not fly in a no-fly zone. Like, if you even successfully get it to fly up, it will auto land back to you. Like, it won't go anywhere else. So I guess that's that. I'm so upset. I really wanted to record this. Like, this would have been such good footage. So there's like people up there, so I think we found a trail that's actually gonna lead us to that freaking rock. Dude, that's crazy. Yo, like, these stairs do not stop, bro. I cannot. I'm already dead tired. Whew. Alright, we found the rock. Here we go. Alright, you ready? Let's climb up this thing. Yeah, I'm okay. Oh wow. Oh wow, babe.
Wow.
This is dope. Wow, you guys. I can actually breathe a little bit better here. You guys, the oxygen levels are really low, to be honest, because I'm out of breath. Oh my god, babe, turn around. That's crazy. What do you guys think? Wow. So amazing right now. Like, the breeze is just so like breathtaking. Oh my gosh. So now we finished taking pictures. We got this little trail coming down right here. Ooh, I have no idea where it's taking us, but I guess we'll figure it out. Bro, it's so hot here, but then over there, there's literally snow, Daniel.
I know.
Like, what the heck? There's literally snow right there, you guys. Look at that. Imagine living right here, you guys, with that freaking view. Like, Daniel, these houses must be freaking like $1 million houses.
Yeah.
Like, there's no way. Like, look at that. With that view, oh my goodness. Now this is goals right here. Wow. So we finished at the Garden of the Gods, you guys. That was just breathtaking. I could not fathom how beautiful everything was. But now we're on our way to, oh my gosh, look at that, you guys. It just got clear. Oh my god, I cannot get over it. And look at the house right there, just chilling. That's amazing. But like I was saying, you guys, we're headed to downtown Colorado Springs. Yesterday we hit downtown Denver, and I wanted just to see how Colorado Springs was and their downtown area. I think it's right there where those buildings are, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see some buildings straight ahead. So it looks like we're getting near. This wind is blowing me away, I swear. It's so windy right now. We're in downtown. We're trying to find a gift shop right now. I'm gonna fly away, babe. Good morning, Raquettes. Good morning, you guys. Right now, I am in the car waiting for Daniel. We're just making sure we have everything we need. As you guys know, we did not get any freaking drone footage of the Garden of the Gods. I was so upset, you guys, but it happened. Nothing I can do about it, so I'm not stressing anymore. So today we're going to Estes Park, and hopefully, you guys, we are able to freaking get some good ass drone footage. Hey, baby.
Hey, what's up, babe?
Say hi to our cats.
What's up, our cats?
So yeah, hopefully we could get some good drone footage today.
Yeah, I think we will.
I hope that we are able to freaking like fly there, you guys. You guys have no idea. Literally, we brought this drone for this. Like, we used our personal item carry-on, our free personal item to bring on the plane for our drone. So instead of bringing 2 personal item bags, we brought 1 and the drone. So we are hoping we get something, you guys. Either way, we'll figure it out. But right now I have my laptop ready because I'm gonna edit. I posted a video up yesterday, so hopefully I can finish editing and post this video up tonight. You guys, I've been so freaking busy trying to like record. Also try to finish some homework, which I finally got done. Daniel still has something else to do, but it's not that serious what he has to do. But either way, we're about to get on the way. We're about 1 hour and 30 minutes, you guys. So yeah, let's enjoy the ride.
All right, guys, it's time to head out to the park that we're trying to go to. Raquel's gonna be editing, and I'll be driving. See you guys there.
Real quick, and Daniel, tell them how cold it is.
It's freezing.
Like, I am freezing right now. I'm wearing a North Face and I have these capris on. Are you cold? Oh, all right, let's cross the street. Let's go. Oh my God, we're about to eat some Italian food. My mom has been here before, and how do you like it?
I love it. It's awesome.
And we have a little view right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's like a really pretty river right there. Super gorgeous. I cannot wait to explore around, but it's freezing. Are you sure you're good with wearing that?
I am. I feel good. It's pretty. It keeps me warm.
Really? I feel like the top part of me is like really warm, but then the bottom part, since I'm wearing these capris, yeah, it's kind of making me really cold. But we'll fight through it, you guys. I ordered some lasagna. What did you order? Fettuccine Alfredo. Basic. I'm just joking. Mine's basic too. Double shot of espresso, you guys. Look at that.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What do you guys think? I'm about to take a piece before Daniel gets here. He might be mad at me. So good. It's so pretty, you guys. Look at this. Bro, we just finished at the gift shop right now. He got this shirt and look it. It's freaking snowing outside. Oh my god.
Oh wow. Dude.
It's snowing a lot. I didn't know we're gonna catch snow in here in freaking Colorado.
That's this part.
I thought it was supposed to be sunny the whole time. You guys, look at all these snowflakes on me. Ah! Guys, it's snowing so bad. My face is getting so wet. Oh my god. Is this real right now? Daddy, I can't see anything. I don't know. Oh my god.
Holy crap.
Literally, you guys, we are caught in a snowstorm. Literally. It's snowing so much, you guys. This isn't real, bro. How do you feel? I didn't know.
Crazy as hell, bro.
I didn't know it was supposed to snow. Bro. Oh, let me take a breather. It was so damn cold, y'all. We're trying to get to the Stanley Hotel, like you said, right?
Oh, yeah.
Guys, look at the snow, bro. This is crazy. Mama, this is crazy.
450 feet, turn right.
Hey, your cats.
Hi.
Okay, let me catch my breath. So, practically this weather right now is like ruining all of our plans, you guys. This weather's ruining all of our plans because we were supposed to go look at these lakes, some nature trails, and it's snowing so bad and it is so damn cold. It's 34 degrees right now. So I don't know, we drove like an hour and a half to get here and now we literally don't know what to do. We went to eat and then we went to a souvenir shop. There was not much there, to be honest, but we'll figure it out. It's pretty cool that we're like enjoying like the scenery still, even though we're just driving around. Like, it's still so freaking fun to do, you guys, because the scenery is so beautiful. Like, that's all you need, you guys. So we were driving and we found this beautiful lake, and actually this is the lake my sister took pictures in, because I remember this boulder, either that one or that one, I don't know which one, but I remember her sitting on a boulder in front of a lake, and I thought that was so pretty. Wow, this is gorgeous. We just found a trail, you guys, and I see a freaking river over there. It's like flurrying a little bit right now. It's freezing still, but it's sunny. The wind is like what's painful. How painful is this wind right now? Oh, but there's a freaking river, so I just want to go see it. Look what we found, you guys. A river.
Be careful, because there's still blackbirds.
I know.
Rattlesnakes, coyotes.
I know, this is like straight up wildlife right now. Like, this is beautiful though. Wow. Woo! Woo! Yes! Colorado is so freaking beautiful. Alright, now I'm gonna get my ass back in the car because I'm freezing. It is so windy, you guys see that? This wind is incredible. Practically what's happening is we're driving down the mountain and sorry, I'm out of breath, and there's like these spots where you can stop and take pictures and hikes. Up there it's really bad and snowing, but then down here, but when we first arrived to this part, this trail, it was nice and sunny, it wasn't too cold, but the snowstorm is coming down to us. So it's like snowing a lot. I don't know if you guys can see that. So we're trying to skate the snow. But babe, the snow keeps following us. I guess it's coming down the storm, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Down the mountain. What I got do, I do, I do. What I got do, I do. Rosa, why are you texting me my song? I do. What I like, I do, I do. I think a bad bitches is a gift from God, gift from God. I think you broke hoes need to get a job, get a job. So we just picked up some Wendy's.
Continue on I-70 West.
Okay, so we just picked up some Wendy's, you guys. We ate that real quick because we are on the way. You know what, I'm not gonna even tell them because I'm just so excited to get there and just show you guys. So we'll see you guys when we get there. Life. Daniel and I came to this like hot spring thing. So this is an indoor pool that we're in. Like it's gonna be super hot. Like it ranges from like 100 to 110 degrees. After here we're gonna go to a mineral hot spring that's outside, but we're starting here in our indoor private hot tub. So freaking cool. This is so worth it. Daniel, how are you feeling?
Good.
Right? Okay, so we're about to get in right now. So this is literally how it looks like. Super nice. Got our towels right here. This is the mineral water. Okay, to be honest guys, it's kind of creepy that we had to walk down a hallway, open a door, we're door number 7, and we had to walk into a freaking room that looks like this. Literally. And then there's this right here. What the heck? Is it too hot for you, babe?
No, it's fine.
So we're at the hot pool right now. Super cool. Daniel's going in. Alright you guys, I'm about to get in. How are you enjoying it, baby?
Nice. It's really relaxing.
So good.
Yeah.
It's like so freaking relaxing. I just want to sleep in here. So after here, you guys, so I'm so happy we got to put this in. I didn't think we were gonna go to the hot springs today. We actually had this on the agenda for tomorrow. So we're planning on tomorrow going to Pikes Peak. So that's gonna be a separate vlog, you guys, because I got 2 days of Denver or Colorado in this vlog. So yeah, the next vlog is probably, well, it is gonna be the last vlog that we're gonna be in Colorado. Tomorrow we're traveling up to Pikes Peak. That's like the main thing, guys. Like I've heard so many cool things about that place, so I cannot wait to go there tomorrow. Damn, mommy, we see you. Okay, y'all didn't even know. All right, you guys, so we just left the hot springs and we come outside and it's all snowy. I'm just still in disbelief. You guys see that? It's so beautiful though. I love it. I love you.
Love you.
Alright, thank you, baby. So right now we're headed to the car, you guys. Look how pretty that is. Hello. Hey, Raquettes, so we are back home. I am so exhausted. I'm just tired. I just want to go to bed. I'm just physically just drained. Tomorrow we have to check out at 11 a.m. from the Airbnb where we're staying at. But we leave tomorrow night, so we'll practically just have the car for the whole day and just go to Pikes Peak and do whatever we've got to do. But yeah, so we have to pack up tonight just because, you know, we have to check out tomorrow morning. But other than that, you guys, I'm gonna let you guys go here. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog, you guys. I'm having the time of my freaking life here. It's just so beautiful, guys. I cannot stress that enough. But either way, you guys, before I let you guys go, notification shout out time. So today's notification shout out goes to Elizabeth Mendoza. Thank you so much, Elizabeth, for all your love and support on this channel. We all do appreciate it. And for everyone else who wants to post a notification shout out, all you have to do is turn on your post notifications and comment down below when you guys are finished. Love you guys so, so much. And until the next vlog, you guys, bye.